Namaste, this is Rupi Raja, and today I will do the NFO review for Bajaj Finserv Nifty 50 Index Fund. Talking about what is a NFO. NFO stands for New Fund Offering, and a new fund offer is the first time an investment firm offers a new mutual fund to its investor. It is just like an initial public offering, but it is for mutual funds. Talking about what is a mutual fund is a financial vehicle that pools money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of securities such as stocks, bonds, and other assets. Investors buy net asset value units in the mutual fund, becoming partial owners of all its holdings, and a professional fund manager manages that portfolio on your behalf, and an expense ratio is charged for it. Talking about the Bajaj Finserv Nifty 50 Index Fund, the launch date is 25th April 2025 and the end date is 9th May 2025. Allotment date is 15 May 2025. There is no exit load. The fund is benchmarked against the Nifty 50 Index and will predominantly invest in equity and equity related instruments of the top 50 Nifty 50 company market cap wise, and the scheme will be managed by Ilesh Savla. Talking about my opinion, as a passive fund, it cannot outperform the Nifty 50 benchmark. Unlike the actively managed equity funds, I will rather invest in Nifty Next 50 index fund instead of this NFO. Talking about suitability for different investor type, if you're a conservative investor, then yes, you should apply for this NFO. If you're a balanced investor, yes, you can apply for this NFO if your time horizon is more than 10 years. If you're an aggressive investor, you can avoid this NFO and go for actively managed equity funds. If you're a goal oriented investor, then yes, you can invest in this NFO. If you're a passive investor, then yes, you can invest in this NFO. But if you want to take better returns, then it's better to go for a Nifty Next 50 index fund. If you're an active investor or even if you're a young investor, you can go for stocks and avoid this index fund. If you're a diversified investor and you allocated good percentage of your portfolio to gold, large cap, mid cap, and small cap, you can skip this NFO since you're already diversified. If you're a speculative investor and you want to invest in the short term, returns are not very great in the Nifty 50 index, you can skip this and go for a large cap active mutual fund. Or if you want, you can start a SIP in a Nifty Next 50 index fund. Overall, I will say that Nifty Next 50 index fund is much better than Nifty 50 index fund, so it is better to go for Nifty Next 50 index fund instead of investing in Nifty 50 index. If you want to read about the scheme details of this NFO, I have attached them in the description of this video. So that's a wrap on today's NFO deep dive. We have crunched the numbers, dissected the story, and now it's your turn. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep decoding the market together. Talking about my consultation, if you want to book any consultation related to investments, mutual fund advice, or stock advice, and honestly, do not worry about it, because as of now, just type your questions in detail in the comment section. Before answering your queries, I will definitely check if you have liked the video and clicked on the subscribe button. If both are done, I will make a video responding to my subscribers query. As of now, the service will be free of cost. If your query is not very big, I will try to reply to your query in the comment section itself. So hope you like this video. Thank you. This is Rupi Raja.